Hi guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can use password in your Excel workbook, and maybe you can have some sensitive information or some personal data which you don't want other people enter into it. So you can put a password here so that it will prevent your document or your spreadsheet from other people entering. Okay, so how we can give a password here? Here in my spreadsheet, we can see some marks and grades of some students, and I don't want anyone access this because I want to protect it. So I have to give a password. For giving password, what I'll do, I just click on here in file menu. In file menu, here we can see an option called info. I'll just click on it. It will take me a new page where we can see a option called protect workbook. I'll just click on this. Here in the second option, we can see encrypt with password. I'll click on encrypt with password. It will take me a new dialog box where I have to give my password in that empty space. But before giving the password, you should read the caution text here written below. Here this caution text is generally it's written that if you give any password and by any chance you forget your password, then you can't get back this document again. So what you have to do, you should write down your password somewhere and store it somewhere safely. Okay, I'll give my password here. I gave my super strong password here, and then I'll click on OK. It's telling me that re-enter your password again. So I'll re-enter my password. Then OK. Now it's telling me that a password is needed to open this workbook. Okay, a password is required to open this workbook. So now I'll just click on cross button. I want to close my Excel. And I'll again reopen it. Here, this is my workbook, and it's saying me it's asking for password. This little dialog box is asking for password, so I'll give here my password and then OK. Now it takes me to my document. So guys, by this process you can protect your data, protect your document from other persons entering if your document or spreadsheet contains some sensitive things that you don't want to share with anyone. That was for today. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, and also if you want to see this type of videos more in future, please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bar so that when I will upload my future videos, you can get notified. Thanks for watching.